In this tutorial video, we are going to learn about percent of a number. So we will be doing some exercises involving the of operator. For example, if we have to calculate 20% of 50, you have to understand this of operator. Of is a multiplication operator. What does that mean? Multiplication operator means that it is same as multiplication. So of is basically a multiplication operation. Now for example, if I have to calculate 20% of 50, how will I calculate? This will be equal to 20%. Percent we have seen means 1 upon 100. And this of I can replace by the multiplication operation and then 50. So now I can solve this multiplication. So 0 and 0 in the numerator and 0 and 0 in the denominator, they get cancelled out, and my result is 2 5s are 10. So I can say that 20% of 50 is equal to 10, or in other words I can say 10 is 20% of 50. 10 is 20% of 50. Now just focus on this statement. There are three numbers, numeric values: 10, 20, 50. I can form different combinations, different questions. For example, if I replace one of the numeric value by what, for example in first case, so I will write what is 20% of 50. If I replace the second numeric value, then I can write 10 is what percent of 50. And if I replace the third numeric value by what, then the statement would be 10 is 20% of what. Okay. So you can have these types of questions. In the first instance, the first statement is what is 20% of 50. Second is 10 is what percent of 50. And third is 10 is 20% of what number. So these are three questions, three different statements which you may need to solve.